Good day everyone. So magtopic ta karon og Maxwell's equation. So nakoy example diri a parallel plate capacitor has circular plates of radius 5 cm separated by a distance of 2 mm. The capacitor is changed to a potential difference of 100 volts. A. Calculate the electric field between the plates. B. The surface charge density on each plate. And C, the total charge on each plate. So first, ato na i-calculate ang electric field. So, we will use the equation, no? Electric field is equal to volts over the distance. So, volts is 100 volts. Then, the distance is 2 mm. So, since mm man ang gamit, ato siya i-convert into meters, may mo siyang 0.002 meter, if I'm not mistaken. Okay? So, next, ato siyang i-calculate. 100 divide 0.02 is equal to 50,000 volt per meter. Okay? So, mauna ni ato ang A, which is the electric field between the plates. So, next, ato na po i-calculate ang surface charge density on each plate. So, ato gamito na po diri ang gas law, one of the Maxwell's equation. So, itong gamiton ana niya is electric field is equal to sigma over epsilon. So, since atong gipangita is ang surface charge man, so mahimo siyang surface charge is equal to E over epsilon. Okay? Then, I know, dapat E is times epsilon. Okay, so ang mahitubuan ni the surface charge times 50,000 Vm, then the value of epsilon. So since constant man ni siya, atong i-check kung pila ang value sa epsilon. Ang value sa epsilon is 8.85 times 10 raised to the power of negative 12 force per meter. So, ang i-calculate na to siya, 50,000 times 8.85 times 10 raised to the power of negative 12 is equal ani niya is 4.425 times 10 raised to the power of negative 7 coulombs per meter squared. Okay? So, nakuha na nato ang value sa ato ang surface charge density on each plate. So, next, ato na pong kwaon ang total charge on each plate. Okay? So, ang atong formula nga gamiton is Q is equal to surface charge times the area. Unya kay wala may given area, so ato na po siyang i-calculate. First, ang area. Mao na itong gamiton nga formula. Ang area is equal to pi r squared. Then, ito siya i-calculate. Pi times the radius is 5 cm. No, 5 cm squared. Ito siya i-calculate. 5, shift pi times 5 raised to the power of 2 is equal to 78.5398. Okay? Then, ato siyang i-convert into meters. So, ang mahitaboan ni or epsilon times 0.05 is equal to raised to the power of 2 is raised to the power of negative 3. So, or 7.853 times 10 raised to the power of negative 3. So, nakuha na nato ang area. So, ato na po siyang i-calculate. Ang atong total charge on each plate is equal to this one, 4.425 times 10 negative 7 coulomb per meter squared times 7.853 times 10 raised to the power of negative 3. So, ito siyang i-calculator. Four 0.25 times 10 resource 75. Okay, so is equal to 3.475 times 10 raised to the power of 9 coulomb. Okay? So, nakuha na nato ang answer. Therefore, the electric field between the plates is 50,000 volts per meter. Then, the surface charge density on each plate is equal to 4.425 times 10 raised to the power of negative 7 coulombs per meter squared. Then, to calculate the total charge, ang yung value is 3.475 times 10 raised to the power of, negative 9 coulombs. That's all. Thank you.